Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 3302, find the lexicographically smallest valid sequence. LeetCode problem number 3302, find the lexicographically smallest valid sequence. You are given two strings word1 and word2. A string x is called almost equal to y if you can change at most one character in x to make it identical to y. A sequence of indices seq is called valid if the indices are sorted in ascending order and concatenating the characters at these indices in word1 results in a string that is almost equal to word2. Return an array of size word2. Length representing the lexicographically smallest valid sequence of indices. If no such sequence of indices exists, return an empty array. For example, given word1 equals veka, word2 equals abc, the expected output is 0, 1, 2. The brute force approach would involve generating all possible sequences of indices and checking if they are valid. This would result in a time complexity of O, n to the power of m, where n is the length of word1 and m is the length of word2. The complexity here is O, n to the power of m. The optimal approach involves using dynamic programming to build up a table of valid sequences. We can use a 2D array to store the lexicographically smallest valid sequence for each prefix of word2. This would result in a time complexity of O, n asterisk m, where n is the length of word1 and m is the length of word2. The complexity here is O, n asterisk m. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Initialize the DP table with -1. Call the helper function with I equals 0 and j equals 0. Check if j is equal to the length of word2. Check if dp j I is not equal to -1. Iterate over the characters in word1 starting from I. Check if the character at index k in word1 is equal to the character at index j in word2. Add the index k to the result list. Recursively call the helper function with I equals k plus 1 and j equals j plus 1. Check if the recursive call returns true. Set dp j I to 1. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.